Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Amar Guy. So as I told you, the Xcent stereo had gone bad. So now I have ordered new stereo for my car. This is Android stereo from Woodman. So you can see from Woodman, just now I have received this courier and now we are going to unbox it. This is ReloadX for Xcent with Eagle camera. So let's go ahead. Has come in very nice package. So this is the packaging, and there is one hood inside this. So here you can see Big B Android ReloadX for Xcent plus. So this is Big B Android ReloadX Xcent plus Eagle 2GB 32GB variant. I don't know if you can see it. It is from Woodman 2 plus 32 combination. Please zoom on to this. Okay, so I'll open it. So this is Eagle Eye camera. It says it is waterproof, HD resolution, turning guidelines, and easy fit in all cars. So Eagle Eye cam. For installation, this is our camera. Can you see it? This is our camera for the car. It says this is the power cable. This is the hole saw to drill the hole. So I'll keep it aside now. We'll install this later in our car, and that time I'll show you how to install. So these are few cables. Let's see what cables we have got. So this is universal connector for connecting our car stereo jack. Those pin will go here. This will go to our unit. Okay, these cables are already tagged, so we can connect them easily. This is our GPS antenna with its cable. So it has come with 3M tape, so it will not move. This is our external mic for Bluetooth audio, so you can take and receive calls. This is our FM antenna. Okay. So we'll explore it later on. Just keep it aside. And now here comes the ReloadX. So this is what is going to be installed in your car. Big screen. It has come with Woodman label. So here is a mic, reset button, power on button, home screen, back, volume up, volume down. Fascia is very nicely done. So from the this. So it says manufacturing date as May 2020. So this is brand new. Now tomorrow we'll install it in our car, and I'll make that video of installation. I'll show you how to install it, and we'll go ahead. So thanks for watching. Please stay connected to my channel, and please give comments, give feedback. Thanks. Bye.